Hey everybody! So yeah, in this video you'll see me transform a muumuu to a bikini top skirt slash dress. Yeah, I'm so excited about this one. I love the way this one turned out. You see in the before picture there, it was a muumuu. I had it forever. It was something I wore in the house. I never really wore it anywhere in particular. And I had it in my bag of things to transform, and I pulled it out and I was like, what am I going to do with this? What am I going to do with this? So that's what you guys are going to see in this video, my thought process and what I came out with. It turned out to be a two-piece bikini top and a skirt type deal. I love the bikini top. It's something that I can wear with other things. I can wear it with jean shorts. I can pair it with other outfits. Same thing for the bottom too. Like seriously, y'all, I am really loving this. This is something that y'all can do to any muumuu. I actually got this muumuu from Ross. So yeah, pick yourself up one and do this with me. So here I am just folding it in half so it's symmetrical, and then I'm measuring down to where I want my top to stop. And that's my bottom, that's gonna be my skirt. And then I pulled out a 1-inch elastic and then I put it around my waist to see, just to measure the waist of my skirt. And then I'm trying on the shirt here to see if I like it. And I'm like trying it on. It's cute, but it could be cuter. So I just put that to the side. I was going to pair this top with it. It's a see-through top. I'm still going to do something with it though. I'm going to tell you here when it plays. You'll hear me talk about this top more. But yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what I'm going to do with the top of this muumuu. What am I going to do? Okay, so we cut off the top of this muumuu, right? So here's the top of the muumuu, and I've just been looking at it like what I want to do with it. Do I want to keep it short? It's actually kind of cute, short like this. I'm thinking what I can do to make this wearable now, because I don't want to throw it away. I think it's adorable, but it is short. I can keep it like this and wear like a like a swimsuit top underneath, or a sports bra underneath. But you know what I'm saying? I think I want it to be I don't know. Let's put this to the side. But it is adorable, and I do want to do something with it. I do have the black sheer scrap that I got from this top, and I was thinking of a way to incorporate it in this, like maybe on the top part of it, like make it some like a strap or something, or I don't know. I'm gonna figure something out because I think this will be adorable to make this a two-piece, right? So I'm gonna think of something like that. I also have this top. So like I said, I cut off the bottom, and I want to make like a patchwork deal on this. So like, um, I wanted to say Guyana because it has like the colors on it already. The red, green, and yellow, and black. The only thing it doesn't have is the white. So I'm probably going to add that back in with this little. It's going to be like a little nameplate situation that I want to do in here. I think it'll be cute for this top. It could be a great standalone piece, and I believe it should be able to go with this bottom. The green is a little bit different. I don't know if you can see. The green is a little bit different. Now that I'm looking at it, this green is a lot more appley green, more bright green, and this is a more of a neutral green. So it may or may not go with this. Either way, these are all beautiful standalone pieces. So, like I said, I cut off the top of this already, so I have a very wide waist, and I think it'll be I think it's going to come together nicely when I put the elastic in. It's going to gather in nicely. You're going to have nice like ripples. It's going to be a very full skirt. I already cut out my elastic. I believe this is a 1/2 inch elastic or inch. Let me see. Yeah, it's like an inch. I already have this, and I already measured it to my waist. So I'm going to fold this over all the way around. First of all, I'm going to take it to my serger and finish off the edges so it won't fray. And then I'm going to fold it over once and sew it all the way around, leaving an opening so my elastic can go through. And then I'm going to fish my elastic all the way through, close it, sew this shut, and then I'll have my skirt. And I'm very excited about this skirt. This is going to be a skirt that I'm going to wear all the time. So cute. This is so neat. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that, and I will be right back. Okay, so here I am just taking the raw edge of my skirt and just running it through the serger just so that it doesn't fray. Okay, you guys can do this with the zigzag stitch, or instead of doing this, you can fold it over twice. You know, you just really don't want that raw edge to be open because you want this to last for you. I know I'm going to be getting a lot of use out of this skirt, so I want to make sure that I finish up the raw ends. All right, and so here I am. I flipped it over once. It's just big enough for my elastic to go through. So I'm just folding it over and doing a straight stitch. Okay, so you just want to make sure that you take this all the way around, making sure that you leave a space open to insert your elastic. You don't want to sew it all the way around and forget to leave a space open for your elastic, and then you have the seam rip it open, causing more time and frustration. So make sure that you leave the space open. You guys, remember, I have classes coming up in December 2021. I have panty making level 1 and 2, and I have wire bra basics wire bra making levels 1 and 2. Okay, these are things that you definitely will need going forward, especially with the classes that I plan on coming out with. I really want my students to already know how to make panties on their own and wire bras on their own before we go to the next level. I'm ready to go to the next level in 2022, you guys. So make sure that you're up to date and you feel confident in your skills before we move forward. I'm reteaching those classes live in December. Just go to asectaughtme.com for more information. So here I am closing off the elastic. Boom, 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 cutting off my thread. And boom, my skirt is done. So now I'm back here at the top and I'm making my bikini top. Okay, so when I cut these out, I kind of eyeball them. The shape that you're trying to go for here is like a triangle shape. You see the general shape that you're going for here. In the next video, I'm going to make sure that I give you guys some really good details on how to make your own bikini top out of anything, okay? So this is just me eyeballing it, putting right sides together, and I'm going to be serging right along that edge there, not the edge on the left. That's where I'm going to be serging along, and then I'll have my bikini tops. Okay, so I'm taking it back to my serger, and like I said, I'm going to just serge right along that edge there for my cups. I'm doing it to both sides. Alright, I'm cutting off my strings. And then, boom, I'm done. Those are my cups. I just kind of tried them on there a little bit just to see if I like them. And they are great. So I'm going to put those to the side. Now I need string. I need bikini top string. And this is all the fabric I have left. Look, that's all I have left. So I'm going to make it happen, right? Cut out some strips. That's all I'm doing. Cutting out some strips for my bikini top. And for the one that goes underneath my bust, I'm probably going to have to, well, I did have to combine 2 of these strips That's me just making sure that it fits before I commit myself to doing this. Yeah, so here I am. I'm sewing together my straps, and then I'm going to turn it inside out. Look at it. It's very frayed. It's wonky. And that's the cool thing about making stuff for yourself. It doesn't have to be perfect. You know, it is what it is. As long as it looks visibly appealing, like you don't want it to look homemade. But yeah, you making it, you know what how many corners you cut and things like that, what you had to do to get it to look like that. And for the most part, it looks not for the most part, this came out very, very beautifully, actually, considering that we was really working with straps. I was very much so working with scraps by the end of this project. Okay, so I think I have all of them all done, and here I'm just turning it inside out with my handy dandy safety pin. And again, I am surprised at this point that this worked, that I didn't run into any like major issues. Everything is working very smoothly at this point. Okay, you guys, so yeah, make sure you turn it inside out, all of your pieces inside out. That's what I'm doing here. Okay, and now what I'm doing is I'm just serging around the whole thing. I'm serging around all of my bra cups because I'm getting ready to hem it. So, you know, I'm just serging all the raw edges so that it doesn't fray when I wash it. All right, I'm doing the other cup. Okay, great. Now I'm taking it over to my sewing machine and I'm just hemming the corners. I mean all my edges except the bottom edge, because remember the bottom edge, of course, we're going to flip up so that we can fish the string through. So I'm just folding it over. This is me folding over the bottom portion of my cup. I'm just using some pins to hold it straight while I do it. This is just me making my bra cups. That's me hemming. Just folding it over. Now, if you do not have a serger, then you would be folding it over twice instead of folding it over once. Now I'm attaching the straps, just going straight stitch over it, and then I'm going to stitch it down. Turn it over and stitch it down so that it's not like poking out, and I'm just going to cut off the excess. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Hem. And then I'm going to do the little channel that you use for your bra, for the bikini strap. And now I'm going to add the string. I'm going to grab it. Oh, no, I got one more side to do. Now I'm gonna grab my strap. Right sides together, right sides together. And I'm gonna just sew it down so it can lay down flat, nice, and cut off that little excess. Boom, and here goes my bra straps. Here comes there goes my bra. My bikini top. And so I'm taking my safety pins, and I have safety pins all over the place, you guys. I always have them in designated areas where I know I can always grab them because I use them all the time. So I'm just sliding it in, making sure it goes in with no problem. Get your butt in there. Come on. There we go. And slide it all the way through. All the way through. Okay, great. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And that's really it, you guys. That is it. You just put on your bikini top, you put on your skirt, and that's it. Very quick, very easy. You could do this to any muumuu, any maxi dress set. Okay, so here I am again having fun in my new set. I absolutely love this look. Oh my gosh, absolutely love it. So here I am showing, I think what I'm doing is putting it together. So I added like a little drawstring type deal to my skirt. I just sewed on a string to the front part, so it doesn't actually go through the elastic part. It doesn't draw anything. It's literally there to hold my skirt to my bra strap. That is all it's there for. I absolutely love it. I'm sure you can tell. Thank you for watching this closet revamp, you guys. This muumuu transformed into bikini top and skirt / dress ensemble. There's so much more to come, you guys. Make sure you subscribe, like, tell a friend, bring more people. We're having fun over here, you guys. We're making outfits that you can actually love and wear. See you in the next video.